Hi, I am Charles. This video will talk about use range names. Let's get started. Now, I will sum up the figures from cell B6 to cell I17. For this scenario, I have created a range name for cell B6 to I17 and have named it as S_Q. First, type the formula equals sum and the open parentheses. Then click on the Formulas tab. Click on the Use in Formula. The range names will be listed on the drop-down box. Click to select the range name. Now, the range name is inserted into the formula. Type the close parentheses to complete the formula. Then press the Enter button on your keyboard. And now the figures are summed up. Well, that's it. I hope you enjoy this video and have learned something today. Thanks for watching.